In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change the desktop background or wallpaper in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first things first, you need to bring up your File Explorer. So if you have seen your File Explorer in the taskbar, you can tap on it or you can simply navigate to the button search bar here and type for Explorer. Once you've typed that, please wait until a best match would appear, which is your File Explorer. And once it's here, please click on this forward arrow so that you would be able to see this option called open. By the way, you can also press Windows key and letter E key together, and in that way, again, Windows key and letter E as an eagle key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the File Explorer window. So please navigate to the location where your images or photos has been located to. And since my photos or images has been located at a download, so please navigate to it and you can see all of the pictures or the image that you have saved in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So please select the image that you would like to to set as your desktop background or wallpaper with, okay? Just select it. And once you have selected it, please make a right click. And there you can see all of an option like this. So there you can see set as desktop background. Next to share, the moment you will tap on it, you would be able to successfully set it as your desktop background in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you will close the window, you can see that it is being applied here in your desktop as the background or wallpaper in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.